won't try me. You won't try me.
Nanny, you dreamt I was going to take you up as my nanny. Madam, anything where I dream, madam, they come to pass. You see this your picking? If I handle them, you know what this will begin.
I do not understand what my son is doing at the gate with the gate man under this harsh weather.
Because you paid my dowry and married me to this house, I should kill myself for your son. I didn't do anything. I didn't cook. Bros, if I cook for you, you know to chop your wife food. Hey, madam, sorry.
Watch her closely. Be mindful of that girl. I don't know why you brought in such a big girl to be your house help.
I did see, I do not want to see her in this house tonight. I want her to leave this house today.
Hey, you don't pass out to the gate. As a mini gate man. Eh? As far as I'm concerned, very soon, when I say very soon, you know foul, very, very soon, you go there under my control. You ingrate. Girl, you've got some nerves. I gave him what you couldn't offer him.
Sit down and wait till I come back. Then you regret ever coming here.
You have two women in this house. And funny enough, overloaded. Mama. And you can keep telling me. What is this? Uncle Tibula Daddy found what the minute he sights it everywhere. Standing.
Are you a nothing but?
You can't carry this your two breasts. Who they give Oga Madam picking?
Are you trying to tell me that I've been keeping a nursing woman under my roof?
This is what you do when I'm not around. You abandon my baby you're supposed to be taking care of and bringing different men into my house.
Shut up!
If you didn't take your filthy self out of this house, I would scream.
I thought I was doing my favor. I thought I was with my friends.
I love you, baby.
But everyone told me.
Come on, stop complaining.
Rather I called it distractions.